Celebration of Pravasi Bharatiya Divas on 9th January 2025. This Divas is celebrated once in 2 years on 9th January. The day was chosen to mark the return of Mahatma Gandhi to India on 9th January 1915 to India. The first Pravasi Bharatiya Divas convention was organized in 2003 in New Delhi from 9th January to 11th January 2003. Flagship event of the Ministry of External Affairs. It was organized annually, but since 2015 it has been organized once every 2 years. This year venue was Bhubaneswar, Odisha, 8 to 10th January 2025. The greatest Pravasi returned to India from South Africa to lead the country's freedom struggle. The 18th edition of Pravasi Bharatiya Divas (PBD) convention is scheduled to be held from 8 to 10th January 2025 at Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Theme is Diaspora's contribution to a Viksit Bharat. The Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is celebrated on the recommendation of Dr. L.M. Singhvi's High Level Committee on the Indian Diaspora. Prime Minister Bill remotely flagged off the inaugural journey of the Pravasi Bharatiya Express, a special tourist train from the Indian diaspora which departs from the Nizamuddin railway station in Delhi and would travel to multiple destinations of touristic and religious importance in India for a period of 3 weeks. The Pravasi Bharatiya Express will be conducted under the Pravasi Tirth Darshan Yojana of the Ministry of External Affairs. The Youth Pravasi Bharatiya Divas will be organized by the Ministry of External Affairs in partnership with the Indian Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports and the Odisha government. Chief guest of 18 Pravasi/Youth Bharatiya Divas Convention. The chief guest of the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention will be Christine Carla Kangalu, President of Trinidad and Tobago. The chief guest of the Youth Pravasi Bharatiya Divas will be Dr. Dev Pragad, CEO of the American magazine Newsweek. 7 President of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago.